Hey, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm going to do a flip through of both of my Bibles that I've been using for our Momentum membership, our Momentum program, our digital Bible journaling program that we have had for over 6 years. You guys, we're going on year number 7, and I'm so excited to show you all of the work that I've done over the last 6 years. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so over the last 6 years, this is the amount of time I've been in my Bible while working on Momentum membership kits. Now, that doesn't mean this is the only time. I actually have other Bibles that I'm using. And this one I have been working on just the Momentum membership. So let me just quickly show you what you get, what is in here in the membership, just so you kind of get a feel for it. So in Momentum, if you're not a member, this will be helpful. Every month you are going to get a devotion. Okay, so this is the devotion for August of 2023. So coming up, this is the next one. So I'm giving you kind of a preview if you're watching this before August 2023. But in August, we're going to be working on pray, and we're going to work through a devotion. And in the devotion, there's going to be 5 parts. So there's going to be a topic, and then there's going to be a verse. There's going to be a little devotion, so maybe usually some examples of actually working through the topic. We're going to write our verse, and then we're going to go through reflection where we're going to be answering questions. So the majority of our writing work is usually done in the devotion. And so we have 5 parts every month, and a video that goes with it. So a video will go with this one, a video go with this one, as we go through each of them, right? So we have that devotion that we work through, okay? And for every part, so let's say part 1, you also get a Bible journaling kit with a themed verse, right? So the Bible journaling kit's themed based on the topic, and it has a verse along with it. And in the kit, gives you some elements, it gives you the verse, it gives you the tab, it gives you some washi. So a lot of different things you can use for your Bible journaling. So in August 2023, this is what the first part will look like. And then I'm not going to give you all of it. I'm not going to give all of it away. But yeah, we have some really beautiful kits that go along with each of the parts. So every month you get a devotion, and this is all digital. So it gets downloaded directly to your computer. You download it yourself, whatever you want, you download, you print out. If you need printing services, we do recommend some people that you can use to get it printed for you if you want to do that. But usually people just print it out at their own home, whatever they want, and they cut them out and put them in their Bibles. I use sticker paper for mine. When I print mine out, I'll print it out on sticker paper, I'll cut it out and put it in my Bible. So that's kind of how I do it. So every month you get the devotion, you get your Bible journaling kits. That's kind of the main piece. Then you also get a calendar, you get some verses, you get some, some bonus materials, you get a traveler's notebook. So you get all of that in the main kit, and you get all 5 videos with me working with you, being completely transparent about what is going on in my life and how I work through things, because I'm not perfect. The only person who's ever perfect is Jesus Christ. So we can look to him for perfection, but not to me, right? So, I go through all of that with you in the devotional videos. Then you also get, if you're interested, you will learn a new technique, art technique for the month. So from watercolors to acrylic paints to colored pencils to mixed media, that's what we'll be doing in August, is going to be a mixed media class. You can take that class and learn a little bit about how to do different mediums and techniques in your Bible. And so that's what we do as well. So every month you get your devotion, and then you get technique videos. You also get a bunch of bonus kits for you to use. So you always have something to work on. And also in Momentum, you also get all of the previous devotions and all the previous classes. So I never restrict what you can see based on when you buy. Once you make a purchase, you get access to everything. If you want to download it and quit, that's on you. Totally up to you, right? But we appreciate the members that stick around with us and that support our ministry, so we can continue to do God's good work by encouraging others to grow in the Word creatively, which is what we do here at Bible Journaling Ministries. And we also have some other things that we do, like a free conference every year. We also, donate Bibles. We have giveaways, all kinds of those things, all with the purpose of glorifying God and helping people grow in His Word creatively. That is what we do. So without further ado, let's go ahead. I'm going to start with my big Bible. Then we're going to do this one next. And I'm going to show you all of the yummy goodness that is in Momentum over the last 6 years. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed that flip through and that it encouraged you to open up your Bible, read it, and have a lot of fun with it. I hope that you will join us over in Momentum if that is interesting to you. And if it's not, I hope that you continue to watch our videos and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.